This is the third episode of our entrepreneurial series, and on this episode, we'll be meeting and discussing with Maryam Salam, CEO, Arewa Labels, on her journey as an entrepreneur and content creator. I trust that you'll learn a thing or two from this insightful chat. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to today's video. I have the beautiful Maryam Salam here, your favorite fashion and brand influencer, and she's going to be talking to us about how she started her business and how the journey has been so far. I will let her introduce herself to us.
Hi guys, my name is Maryam Salam and I am the founder of Arewa Label. As you can see, I'm also a content creator. I do lifestyle and fashion content.
Thank you. So how did you start your business? What birthed the idea for Arewa Label?
Well, I started my business 2 years ago now. And it came from just the idea because then I started covering my hair and I wanted something more fashion and like trendy, not just like the one pattern or one color scarf. So obviously I started looking online, but I didn't really find so many brands like doing that in the UK. So I was like, oh, it would be nice, and also it just feels like a way to encourage more younger people or Muslims or just anyone that really wants to have like this modest style and like use scarves either for religious purpose or just for fashion purpose, and just as something trendy and nice they can always wear with their outfits and it's not boring in quotes.
How's it been so far? What are some of the parts of your business that you find most challenging and difficult?
I think so far it's been good actually. Most challenging, I think trying to balance that with my 9 to 5, because I used to have a 9 to 5, and just balancing running the business day to day and with my other job, that's very challenging. And I think just running the business as a one-man business for now, because obviously I'm just starting up, I would say that. So it's really like difficult to balance everything. But slowly now I do it full time with my other business. So I've been able to commit myself more, and slowly I'm trying to build a team that can take the business further.
What you said, your other business? You have another business?
So I do content creation full time. So I'm a content creator, and I have to obviously still focus on that as well and try to run and manage my personal brand.
Okay, thank you. What are some of the parts of your business that you find most exciting? The things that you think about doing in your line of work that gets you up in the morning?
Oh, I really love the creative side, like creating content for the brand, for the business. And I like designing, when I design the logo, the websites, and doing all the editing. I really enjoy that. And I also enjoy when we're working with other creatives, because it just expand the creativity of the brand in a way, because we have other people bringing their own ideas into the business. I love that part.
So how's that been so far? I mean, with COVID, has it been more challenging, like connecting with other creatives? Or would you say that just having time to even be by yourself in isolation has helped you get more creative? I would say in a way the COVID has been a blessing, because I've had more time to really dedicate to the business and sit down, really look at what's going on, and try to just focus on the business than before, when everything, it was kind of busy, so many things going on. But now it's the time to really slow down, re-strategize, especially now that we've moved to a new country. So trying to just understand the market properly. So far, what's your take on Canada? Do you miss Europe sometimes?
No, I actually love it. And funny enough, even before I moved here, most of the customers are based in the US and Canada. So exactly. So it's a blessing. I really come into them, and it's closer. We have now, instead of them waiting for longer shipping from Europe, now they have 2-3 days shipping, and
true.
it's just good for the business and wonderful. So I'm really loving it here.
So that takes me right to my next question. Do you deliver worldwide? And what's the duration like? So we deliver worldwide, even to Nigeria.
And if you're delivering to Canada, it'll take 2-3 days, and US will take 5 to 7 working days, especially because of COVID now.
Okay.
And to other countries, it takes 9 to 12 days. And just on the website, very easy. Once you pick your country, the website will do automatic calculation. So we don't really have control or saying we're inflating the price for anyone, because we have like the website connected to the shipping company, Canada Post, and other shipping company. So it just does the calculation for you directly, and it's easier for you to just place your order.
Okay. In 5 years, where do you hope to see your business?
In 5 years, I hope we expand, have more staff and professional in the business, like taking the business forward, and of course send as much orders as we can send out, and be like one of the top brands of, like, when you think of silk scarves and luxury feel scarves, then we should be like on people's mind.
Yeah. Are there any brands that influenced you or that constantly inspire you to do what you do and to do better?
I think I take I wouldn't say there's a particular brand, but I would say there are definitely brands, not particularly fashion or scarves, that inspire me to do what I do and get creative as much as possible. Especially lately, I've been seeing lots of Black-owned businesses and women-owned businesses doing great. So yeah, I really get inspired by that.
Are there any ones that come top of mind to you that you could just mention?
I would say Kai Collective by Fisayo Longe.
Okay.
And I would say, I can't think of any other one right now, but definitely she's doing wonderfully well. And
she's in the UK, I think.
Yeah, I don't know her, but I look at what she's doing, and she definitely inspired me a lot.
Okay. Do you have any? I mean, there are a lot of young people that want to start businesses. They are thinking about it, but fear of failure is one thing that keeps people from creating and from pushing forward, because you're like, what if I fail? What if it doesn't go as planned? What's that advice that you could give a young entrepreneur, not even a young, a budding entrepreneur, someone just thinking about it? He could be young, he could be old, he or she could be whatever age. What would you say to them?
I'll say, while you're thinking, what if I fail? What if it doesn't work? Try to pick yourself up and say, what if it actually works out? What if I actually succeed? What if this actually blow up than I expect? And just give yourself grace. Like, be patient with yourself. And yeah, even before you start getting support from external people, from people like outside your business, you as a person, you need to believe in your business, and you need to be patient. Like, don't think everything is going to happen overnight. Obviously, some people are lucky and their business like blow up so fast. However, if it doesn't happen, because that's not going to be everyone, that's the reality, you have to be patient with yourself. And just know that you won't know everything at the beginning. The more you do it, it's a process, it's a journey. And the more you do it, the better you get. And just be open-minded and be patient with yourself.
So what's your day-to-day like?
So my day-to-day is, of course, wake up and and check the website and see if I have any orders. If I do have any orders, I'll then pack my orders. Most times when I'm packing, I'm doing like creating content for TikTok or Instagram. So I'll do that, and then I'll go to the post office to drop it off. Although I can get the post office to pick it up, but I just like that journey to the post office and do it. So after that, then I'll upload all the details of the tracking and details on the website. And I'll do that, and usually just look at the inventory, what needs to be updated, and what stock I need to order more, and see what's going on in terms of, try to understand the trend of the business. If there's a particular product that is selling most, probably we need to like start thinking of stocking up. And then I will schedule the post for Instagram or TikTok. That's like the major ones we're focused on right now. And also we start using Pinterest, so we'll do that, and just keep posting and promoting the business, and just look at the email as well, because sometimes when we are working with influencers, the email needs to be going back and forth before we conclude. So then I'll do that, and I take the rest of the day to create content for myself, especially if I have campaigns going out. So I need to make sure I take care of that and reply my emails, and maybe send out contracts for brands that I'm working with, and just post and that's it. Before you know, it's the end of the day.
When you actually have time to rest?
I actually schedule time to rest, and I'm very intentional about resting. Most weekends I try not to do any work. However, that depends on if there's a campaign that needs to go out like in a short period of time. Sometimes I'm required to work on weekends, or sometimes my rest day can be during the week, because remember, during the week as well I need to schedule time to film and for my YouTube and create my other content. So but I'm very intentional that I look at my week and see what I need to do and create time to be like, okay, this day I'm gonna rest. That's very important. If you're an entrepreneur, you need to be intentional about resting.
So what do you do for fun?
For fun, I like to chill. I like to watch movies. I like to hang out with my friends when I can. Obviously, with the situation now, I can't really do that. But yeah, and I just like to enjoy the moment, the present time when I'm resting and when I'm chilling. Just have fun.
Who's your number one? Who or what is your number one source of support?
I would say actually two major sources of support. And my parents, my family, they really support me with everything I do. My dad is a big cheerleader. And it's just such a great thing to have your parents support what you do. And secondly, my husband is so supportive of everything I do, and I'm just like so blessed to have two important people in my life that support me and support everything I do. Yeah, so I'll say two major ones.
Are you expanding beyond scarves?
We actually already carry more than scarves. We do statement earring pieces for everyday wear, like the one I'm wearing right now. And we do soy wax candles, 100% soy wax candles made here in Toronto, in Ontario, Canada. And we do scarves, and we hope to expand into other homeware and stationaries in the future.
Okay, so it's not just scarves. See?
Yeah.
I was ignorant. I thought you did just scarves. I thought to ask. Okay, so candles and earrings.
And we do gift boxes for self-care boxes, birthday boxes, congratulation boxes, Mother's Day. Actually, the birthday one is like one of our top selling boxes, because you can literally just order to the person directly and have your personalized notes in the box, and it's sent to the person straight.
Okay, that's very, very nice. Guys, if you have any requests, your friends are celebrating their birthdays, anniversaries, whatever, you know who to go to, right?
Yeah.
Arewa Label is the plug for you. And are there any charitable causes that you're involved in?
Yes, actually that's a big part of the business. We donate £1 from every sale that we make. $1, to every sale that we make to our partner charity in Nigeria, and they support girl child education, and that's like a very big part of the business, because we just feel like we need to give back to the community, and we need to support the way we are. Even though we are still a small business growing, it's from this that we're going to start, and we can then expand. Hopefully we can do more in the future, and I'm really looking forward to be able to make more impact in the future.
Do you mind sharing the name of the organization?
Yeah, we used to work with GIF, that's GHIEF. We worked with them last year, and this year we're just like concluding with our new partners, and the same cost as well, but we try to like move around and just like support different ones, especially when they're in different locations. So yeah.
Okay, how's that partnership? Has it been easy, like having them in Nigeria and you over here in Canada?
When we worked with GIF, it was easy. They were pretty much very organized, but I would say it's difficult to like really get a good organization that is transparent and aligned with our cause and what we stand for. We are all for transparency and really showing our community what we are doing, what their impact is doing, and the way they're supporting our business. They're supporting a good cause as well. So it can be difficult because we have to do our background check and make sure the organization is legit and they're doing and they're doing what they have to do. So that part. But once we get the right one, then we're good to go.
Okay, it's always important to give back to the community however that you can, and really good stuff that you're doing.
Thank you.
Do you have a website where, like an e-commerce site where potential customers can go on and place their orders?
Yeah, we do have a website. It's www.arewalabel.com,
We'll put
and our
that in
social media handle is at Arewa Label.
Okay,
Yeah,
guys,
just the way it's
yeah,
written.
just like on her sweatshirt. So we'll also include those handles here on the website for you guys to check her out and check her website out. Not just checking it out, make sure you place an order because they're really beautiful, pretty pieces.
I'm wearing one of the pieces.
Exactly, one of it is here on her head. I'm sure you see how pretty that looks. What's the one thing you've learned so far as an entrepreneur?
I think so far I said the biggest lesson is I've learned to be patient and just patient with everything I do regarding my business. Yeah, it's very important, and also have faith. Pray. If you're a believer, pray about everything. Pray for guidance and just like God directing everything you do. And also you have to put in the work and just be patient with yourself. Eventually it's gonna happen, even though it's not happening right now, and you can't say just keep doing what you're doing and keep having that faith and everything will work out.
Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you enjoyed meeting this pretty face, Maryam Salam. It's Maryam Salam on Instagram, and Arewa Label is the business name. She's a content creator and an entrepreneur. So guys, be sure to check her out on social media: Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook,
everywhere.
And be sure to follow too. She also has a YouTube channel with really nice content on there. It's Maryam Salam as well, so be sure to subscribe to her channel. I hope you liked this video enough to subscribe. Please like, share, and just do all you need to do to support our channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for having me.
Bye guys.